What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now, getting ready for the last break of the night, last Sunday Fun Day. Nice $45 mix for 7 boxes, and we're doing our teams right now live. Good luck. It is what time? 10:50, so we're live in 10 minutes. Steven, spot 1. Jason, spot 30. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck, folks. We'll start with the teams. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 10:50. 10:50 it is, and last and final on the teams. This is second break of the night. We just had a pretty good case of the cup, actually. A lot of nice cards. 4 timestamp is 10:51. And 10:51 it is. Let's copy these over. Tampa Bay. They were on top of the cup, too. Tampa to Pittsburgh. And Detroit to Chicago. There's your teams. Now let's match up some names to go with them. 10:51. Steven down to Jason. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp on 3. 10:51. 10:51. Last and final. We got a lot of boxes from different years here, so you're not really looking for one specific team, but there's definitely a few good teams you're looking for. Fourth random is at 10:51 and just turned 10:52. So let's copy these over. We got Brian to Jake. Brian to Jake. Jason to John. There's your teams, folks. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in less than 10. Good luck.